Want him to listen to you. Women never do these things. It is not uncommon for women to express frustration that men, particularly in long-term relationships, seem unresponsive to their concerns. Many women assert that men have difficulty communicating effectively. As one woman put it, all men want is sex. It could be beneficial for women to acknowledge that men might choose to avoid certain conversations due to the potential consequences. For instance, a man might foresee that engaging in discussion with his partner about her emotions might not improve the situation. Instead, it could potentially amplify feelings of victimization, often to the man's detriment. Take the example of a man who forgets his wife's birthday. He might be apprehensive that she will launch into a diatribe about feeling unloved. He might be concerned that she will emphasize her distress to extract the maximum guilt and amends from him. Furthermore, he may worry that she will bring up past mistakes, such as catching him watching adult content or saying, "John, you chose to watch that silly football game when you knew visiting Grandma and me was important to the family. I feel completely unloved. I don't matter at all." An additional overstatement to extract the utmost compensation from him. In such a discussion, a man might recognize that his partner is overreacting, and letting her express her feelings without interruption could inadvertently validate her concerns. However, if he attempts to defend himself, for example, by highlighting instances of her own selfishness, she may accuse him of escalating the argument. Moreover, providing examples of how he has demonstrated his love is unlikely to appease her. She may feel or claim that she is not being listened to and invalidated. Do those actions excuse you for watching adult content or forgetting my birthday? Just listen. Stop defending yourself. I just want to be heard. Can't you just listen for once? He finds himself in a no-win situation. As a result, it's natural for him to want to avoid such conversations, which may lead women to mistakenly assume that men are incapable of communication or that all men want is sex. In fact, many women insist on being listened to without interruption and expect their partner not to propose solutions to their problems, as doing so might be seen as limiting their autonomy. I just want to vent. I want to share my feelings. When I'm ready to solve the problem, I will. Numerous men experience frustration when they can solve a problem their partner faces yet are expected to remain silent. Instead of feeling frustrated, they might attempt to avoid or truncate the conversation, or simply tune out, which can lead their partners to conclude, men can't communicate. All they want is sex. A study conducted by Georgetown gender communication expert Deborah Tannen challenges the common belief that women talk more than men. In reality, men and women speak roughly the same amount, around 16,000 words daily. The key difference might be that many men prefer engaging in conversations likely to yield productive results, suggesting that men may not be as foolish as some women believe. Additionally, while sex may not be a foolproof way of influencing a man, it can certainly play a role. Thanks for watching. And until the next video, remember, change your thinking and you change your life.